In this lecture, we are going to learn left to right subtraction using Nichilam Sutra. There are special type of problems which are easily solved by Nichilam Sutra of Vedic mathematics. This is also left to right subtraction, but we are going to use Nichilam Sutra of Vedic mathematics. The meaning of Nichilam Sutra is all from 9 last from 10. Let's try to understand. Suppose we have to subtract 56 from 10,000. In conventional method, we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we have to borrow from the next number, but next number is again 0, so we have to go to next number and again to next number. This 1 becomes 0 and now this becomes 10 because this has to give 1 to the next number. Now this becomes 9 and this becomes 10, then this gives 1 to the next number becoming 9 over here, and now this becomes 10. Again this becomes 9 and gives 1 to the next number. Then we can subtract 6 from 10, so it becomes 4. So this is how we can solve the sum using conventional method. But Nichilam Sutra makes it very fast and in a single line. Let's see how. According to Nichilam Sutra, all from 9 last from 10. If we have to subtract 56 from 10,000, then we will do partition of 10,000. Now 56 is a 2-digit number, so we will make a partition over here leaving 2 zeros on the right side of it. Now there are two parts of this number. This is left side and this is right side. From the right side we will follow the rule all from 9 last from 10. From the left side we will subtract 1. So 100 becomes 99. And all from 9 last from 10. If we subtract 5 from 9, it gives us 4. And last number 6 from 10, it gives us 4. So 9944 is the answer. In this lecture we are going to take only those problems in which there are lots of zeros on the right side of first number, and it becomes tough for us to subtract the second number. So let's take one more example. Now 789, second number is a 3-digit number. So from first number we will partition it to two parts leaving 3 zeros on the right side of it. Now we will reduce number on the left side by 1, so this becomes 399. Since we have zeros on the right side, so we will follow all from 9 last from 10. All from 9 means subtracting 7 from 9, this gives us 2. Subtracting 8 from 9, it gives us 1. But subtracting 9 from 10, last from 10. So subtracting 9 from 10, it gives us 1. So this is the answer. Let's take this example. Now there are 4 digits on the second number. So we will partition first number to two parts, leaving 4 numbers on the right side of it. For the leftmost part, we will subtract 1, so this becomes 22. Now here on the right side there are all zeros, so we will follow all from 9 last from 10. Now difference of 7 from 9 is 2, difference of 8 from 9 is 1, and difference of 9 from 9 is 0. All from 9 last from 10, so we have to subtract 6 from 10. That gives us 4. Again we are moving from left to right, so this is left to right subtraction, and according to Nichilam Sutra, all from 9 last from 10. But this only works for the numbers having lots of zeros on the right side of it. Now here we have to subtract 89 from 5000. Again we draw partition on the first number because 89 is a 2-digit number, leaving 2 zeros on the right side of it. Now we will reduce 50 by 1, so this becomes 49. And here we will follow all from 9 last from 10. So we will take the difference of 8 from 9, that gives us 1, and difference of 9 from 10. So this gives us 1. So 4911 is the answer. Now here we have to subtract 23 from 24,000. Again we will draw partition. We will reduce 240 by one number, so this becomes 239. And here we will follow all from 9 last from 10. Difference of 2 from 9 is 7 and difference of 3 from 10 is 7. So this is the answer. Now 12 is a 2-digit number and there are zeros over here. So we will partition this to two parts. And on the right side we will leave 2 zeros. Now we have to reduce this number by 1. So this 800 will become 799. So this becomes 56799. Now here we are going to follow all from 9 last from 10. So if we subtract 1 from 9 we get 8. And if we subtract 2 from 10 we get 8. Now 458 is a 3-digit number. So we will make this partition. And on the right side of this partition there are 3 zeros. Now we have to reduce 780 by 1. This becomes 779. And here we will follow all from 9 last from 10. So if we subtract 4 from 9, we get 5. If we subtract 5 from 9, we get 4. And if we subtract 8 from 10, we get 2. So this is the answer. Now a few more examples, and this time we will try to be fast. Now we have to reduce this by one number, so this becomes 98499. While reducing this number, the zeros becomes 9, first significant number becomes 1 lesser. The rest remains the same. And this is also an easy way of finding one number less. And now here we will apply all from 9 last from 10. If we take the difference of 7 from 9, we get 2. Difference of 8 from 9 is 1, and difference of 9 from 10 is 1. So this is the answer. So in this way we are not taking time while writing the answer. If you don't have to speak, then mentally it will be very fast. Now for example, here if we do this partition, we have to make this number 1 less, so this becomes 752. And now all from 9 last from 10, 4 from 10, so this gives 6. So without making any mistake, and we are writing very fast from left to right. Now here this becomes 19, and now this is 1, 0 and 4. Subtracting 8 from 9, we get 1. Subtracting from 9 from 9, we get 0. Subtracting 6 from 10, we get 4. Now here it is a 4-digit number, so we will reduce this to one number, so it becomes 5. And now we will apply all from 9 last from 10. So 4, 2, 1 and difference of 9 from 10, so this gives us 1. Now we are going to take those problems having zeros on the right side of the second number also. So in such cases, we will not apply Nicolum over here. We will only apply Nicolum to the significant figures. So at the end of writing numbers, we will copy these zeros as it is. We will apply Nicolum to 25 only. But this number is a 4-digit number, so we will make a partition over here. Now we will reduce 60 by 1, so this becomes 59. Now we will apply Nicolum over here, all from 9, last from 10. So subtracting 2 from 9, we get 7. Subtracting 5 from 10, we get 5. And these 2 zeros we will copy as it is. Now there are 3 zeros over here, so we will just apply Nicolum over to this part. And this is a 5-digit number, so we will make a partition, leaving 5 zeros on the right side of it. Now we will reduce 78 by one number, so this becomes, we will apply Nicolum to this part only. So all from 9, last from 10, subtracting 8 from 9, we get 1, and subtracting 5 from 10, we get 5, and we will copy these zeros as it is. Now here there is a 1 0, so we will apply Nicolum to this part only, and this is a 3-digit number, so we will make a partition, leaving 3 zeros on the right side of it. Now we will reduce 54 by one number, so this becomes 53, and now we will apply Nicolum to 71, all from 9, last from 10. So subtracting 7 from 9, we get 2, and subtracting 1 from 10, we get 9. And this 0 as it is. Now there are 2 zeros, so we will apply Nicolum to 73 only, and this is a 4-digit number, so we make a partition over here. We reduce 2 by 1, so this becomes 1. We will apply Nicolum over to this part, so all from 9, last from 10. Subtracting 7 from 9, we get 2. Subtracting 3 from 10, we get 7. And these 2 zeros as it is. So this method is very fast, single line, and there is no need of borrow. And this method is only applicable if there are zeros on the right side of first number. And now there is a task for you to practice more problems. And there are answers also.